Today, we are making a Halloween cat prop. This prop will produce an enlarged shade of a spooky cat by directing a projection light to it at nighttime. First, download the 4-sheet template print for the cat silhouette. I'll leave the link in the description box. After you have printed the 4 sheets, align the locator holes and tape the sheets once everything looks lined up. On my case, I have attached the template silhouette to a 1/4 inch plywood sheet using spray glue. I'll be using this double-sided jigsaw blade made by the Spyder brand. This blade is made by a German company, so I expect nothing but quality cuts from them. This is the first time I'm using this blade, and this is the model 3010. I'll be cutting only the eyes of the cat for this demonstration. I have drilled 1/4 inch holes using the drill bit to get started. What makes this blade amazing is the rear row of teeth. This allows to make tight turns as the rear teeth cut through the material on the back as you are turning your jigsaw. With this blade, you can even cut in reverse direction. You just need to leave the jigsaw in an angle towards the front and cut in reverse. Overall, I'm impressed by the quality of cuts of this blade, and from now on, this will be my new standard. Here is the finished cat silhouette. Since I'll be using it to project the shadow, I'm not concerned about some of the raw edges. You can see that the blade made nice cuts on the radiuses, but it struggled a bit doing the acute cuts in reverse function. So I'll recommend not to use the reverse cut only for the acute shapes. It will be better to make extra holes using a drill bit and cut from those holes instead. Here's the final product. I have screwed a piece of 1x2 to the rear face of the cat, and I have painted the front face with black spray paint. The 1x2 was cut in an angle on both ends. The cat on the lower end is in order to make it easier to push it in the ground, and the cut on the upper end is so the corner doesn't get reflected on the shadow. Here is how it looks all finished once we have added the LED light. These lights are pretty cool since they come with a control where you can change the light color and lighting mode. I'll sure be using them for other holiday displays. Links for all the tools and needed items to make this prop are listed in the description box. I have also put the link for the LED light. This is all for today. Until next time, and happy Halloween! For more tutorials, how-to, and product videos, visit handynoah.com.